Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your photos all the same frame or all the same seconds in CapCut PC. You do have to do this before you add in your photos into the app, into the timeline, sorry. So if you go to menu, go to settings here, select edit, and as you can see image duration. You can do it per frame, maybe like per... Okay, I typed it wrong. Maybe per like 60 frames. I don't really know. I think it is 1 second. But you can also do it in seconds. So maybe I want 30 frames. Press save, and I'm just going to add in my photos, and they're all going to be 30 frames. Or like as you can see, there's like the sign here, 30 frames. Or they're all going to be what, like 0.5 seconds, I think. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!